Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, first of all, you need Anaconda to be installed in your Ubuntu box. Okay, here I'll go from the first. Here you can see I don't have a Anaconda installed in here. You can see I don't have Anaconda or Anaconda 3. So, but I do have a Python already installed in my machine, Python 3. You can see 3.8.10, and you can install Python. When you install Python, try to install Python pip as well. And let's clear this first and go ahead to install Anaconda. So to install Anaconda, first go to the temp folder, cd temp, and here do crawl, and I'll give you this command on the description below. And also you can see this from the DigitalOcean that I followed DigitalOcean to install Anaconda 3 in my computer, in my PC. So I'll paste it here. So there you go, paste it and wait for a second. And don't worry about the command. If you can follow it from here, go for it. If not, then I'll place that in the description below. And just wait for a second until it's finished. This will actually download the Anaconda from the website, from its website, inside the temp folder. Okay, here you can see it's already completed. And now the second thing we have to do is, so once the crawl is already completed, we can verify the data integrity that is installed, and that is done using SHA-256 some anaconda.sh. and you can see there is a code. If that pop up in your screen, then you're good. So output has been okay till now. Now let's run the bash script, bash anaconda.sh. You have to agree the terms and condition. You do more, keep continue. So now it will say, do you want to do yes? No, I have Anaconda 3 installed. Inside my user. Now you can do, so hold on until this unpacking, because that was giving where it will install. The location has been given, and now it will start extracting the folder, and then it will install it. So it's going to be Anaconda 3 inside my user profile. Now do yes, and it's done, completed. And you can even see that it already says thank you for installing Anaconda 3. And now let's do source, and you can see the base has been activated. So now I can do conda environment list. Probably we don't have any other beside the base, so I can create the conda environment. Conda create name chat environment, conda create, I forgot to give hyphen chat env. In which Python version? So you need to give the Python version as well, Python version 3. So now it's collecting. It's creating an environment inside the Python version of Python version 3. So let's just wait and watch. Now let's run the same command, conda env list, and let's see, yeah, the one that we just created, chat environment, is there. So now let's activate that environment. Conda activate chat env. Now you can see instead of base, you can see chat environment has been activated. Inside that, let's see, do we have pip install? If we have, then we can see 22.3.1 is already installed inside that environment. If you don't have it, you can follow the command. And okay, now let's clear. And now the second thing that we have to do is install everything that we need. Just open an editor and open the terminal. So now we need to import random, import numpy as np, and we need to install all of these. So first, that for those, let's create a directory first. Mkdir chatbot pip install random. You might get error that you can see there, random as cannot be installed. We'll go for that next one. Just let's skip that random for now, and let's install numpy. So pip install numpy as np. You can see it's downloading. So here you can see the error says it has already downloaded, but it cannot install it from version none. So you have to give which version that you want to install. So let's go ahead and see. Let's do sudo apt install python 3. So we need to specify which version and then do it. So give the password, and there you can see now it will start installing. Previously it was already downloaded, the numpy was already downloaded, but it can't install because it doesn't know which version. And you can see, you can read on the error, it says couldn't find a version that satisfies the requirement. So we have to specify in the version Python version 3 install numpy. So that's what we did. Sudo apt install python 3 numpy, and now it's already installed. So next thing is need to install pickle. Pip 3 install pickle. Okay, let's move to another one. Pip 3 install JSON. Okay, let's move to another one. Pip 3 install Flask. Okay, Flask is installed. Pip install NLTK. NLTK is installed. Pip it's just a natural language. So pip install. Let's do pickle again. What kind of error that's gonna give? So it says we have to, yeah, it's the same problem that we faced during the numpy. So we have to give we have to satisfy the version first, which version of pickle that we want to install, and after that we from a Flask and hierarchy import. So that's inside the Flask. So we have already installed the Flask. So let's install Keras from Keras module load module. Okay, so pip 3 install Keras. So Keras is installed. So we have to give the pip 3 install Keras command so that Keras will install. And now after that there is a module inside the Keras that was been imported. Now NLTK.steam, that's the model inside the NLTK from TensorFlow. Okay, now we need to install TensorFlow. Pip 3 install TensorFlow. Let's see if it will take a little bit of time because TensorFlow has a lot of module inside of it, and it's a kind of heavy module. So let's just wait and see how long it's gonna take, because it's 588.3 MB of data. So let's just wait for a second. Okay, now you can see here there's a TensorFlow has been installed, Keras is installed, and now we have done numpy. Now left is random, pickle, JSON. NLTK is already installed. So let's go for pickle first. Sudo pip 3. Sometime you need to specify the version. So pickle 5. There you go. Because when I was doing it earlier, when you just do pip3 install pickle, it will give you the warning because you have to satisfy the version. That's why I did, you can see here in this line, I did sudo pip3 install pickle 5, so that I specify the version that I need to install in it. So pickle is done, so you don't have to go for the random, it's already installed. If you have Python version 3 and above, random is already installed there. Random is there by default, so you don't have to worry about it. So the pickle is already done. JSON, it will be there by itself by default when you have version above 3, the Python version above 3, then you don't have to worry about the JSON either. So now for the random and JSON you're good, and pickle has been installed. Flask has been done, NLTK has been done, Keras was completed, TensorFlow we just did. And what else is required? Let's go for train.py, and we might have more in here. So Matplotlib, which is kind of not required for you, but if you want it, you can do pip install matplotlib. And there you go, Matplotlib is installed, and we have random done, numpy done, pickle, JSON, NLTK, Keras, TensorFlow. Yes, pretty much everything is completed. Import sequential. Probably I think there will be the problem with import SGD. SGD could be a problem, but let's go ahead and see first. Limitizer, okay, done. Word, okay. Now let's see how does this work. Let's go to our file, which is final chatbot. Let's do it is inside document, I guess, and there you can see app.py. Let's run train.py first. If there is any error, then it will flag the error, and it will tell us what is the error. Now we have already trained. Looks like it's already completed. Wow, that's easy. Okay, let's do python app.py. Let's run that app.py, and here you can see file home. Oh, Flask ngr, okay, need to be installed. So pip3 install Flask ngr, okay. Oh, did I misspell it? Yes. Okay, ngr is installed. Let's go back and run the app.py again. Let's see if that gives any error. No, it has been completed. Okay, now you can see running on HTTP. This is a local host with the 5000 port, and this will give you error, but you don't have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and click in here, open the link, and it should open in the Firefox. And let's see, yeah, now you can see it is here. Minimize, maximize, and here you go. Let's see, does it give us reply? If not, then you have to know there is some problem in the backend, or you might forget to install something. But if it gives you the reply, then you're good to go, because nothing of this is hard coded. It's supposed to give you reply on its own. It does speak the whole is Spanish, and it says hello. That's quite interesting. Yeah. Okay, that's how you create a environment, Conda environment. Today I show you how to install Anaconda 3 in your Ubuntu box, how to create a Conda environment, and here to X out of these you can do Control C, and it will just cancel the running server. And to deactivate the environment, you can do Conda deactivate. There was a spelling error. Conda deactivate. Okay, now it goes back to base, and if you do that again, then the base will deactivate, the Conda environment will completely deactivate, and it will go to the normal mode. So that's how you actually do create your backend part of the chatbot and the front end part of the chatbot. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. If you have any concern, question, then please place that in the comment box. I'll try to solve. and give you reply back as soon as possible. Thank you so much.